Stay away from where I'm fishing. Please. I saw one go underneath there. John, cast right there. I just saw one go underneath the log.
What is it?
I saw one go underneath the log right there. Don't get in my way though. Please.
I'm just trying to catch a fish here. You found more.
Then tie on a different bait.
You
I told you to bring more. I told you to bring it. I even helped you pack a whole tackle box. And you didn't bring it. That's your fault. You snagged. Snap the line.
Oh, come on.
You don't have to snap your line, bud.
No, I'm getting that worm. I ain't going to absolutely torture Mikey again over just a little bit of line.
Yeah, you would have caught a fish already if you had brought more tackle.
Bro, that's the only thing. Stupid river has nothing.
I've caught 2 fish. Because you didn't bring the right bait.
Because you're freaking god at fishing.
No, I'm not. Don't say that. It's disrespectful to the one that would save you. You disturbed the water. I'm going back. Are y'all not in 4K? Turn off low power mode. You did? Oh, it's okay. Good job. See, there are fish here. You just gotta find them. Got one. That's another, was that a green belly sunfish? Oh, he stuck good. Crap. What to do? He ate it good. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one off. See, not coming off. Alright, he's stuck. Great. And the third fish, yeah. You got all 3 treble hooks in them. Did you get one? Yeah, he got all 3 treble hooks. He was stuck in.
Mine came off of the edge.
Yes, sir?
I got 3 fish in about like.
You got 3?
I got 3 fish in about like a minute.
He got bit 3 times.
I had them on and then I pulled them up and then they dropped down instantly. And then I pulled another one up and he dropped down instantly. And then I had another one.
Did you get any of that on the GoPro?
Yes, sir.
He got his, but I didn't get mine.
I was looking at you. You got it. I think it's wherever I'm looking it sees. Because it's on my chest. But I got 3 fish so far. And the last one I got just now, he had all 3 treble hooks in him. So I had to do surgery on him. You gonna get your pole? Okay.
I'm still working. I got most of it. 20 of them over in
That's a good spot. It's just a little guy, the one I got last time.
Yep. Mine was little like that.
He was like average size, but for the river he was small.
I'm gonna try to do this. And then if I click on the minnows.
Yeah, that's what I'm copying. I'm copying them little minnows, my lure. That's what they're biting. Yeah, the catawba worms are gonna work better. Because those water bugs gonna be too thin to hook.
I can go from there. I can go there. If I see mix, you can move it in there. My antennas are going to get hooked.
Don't come to where I'm fishing now. What are you around here for? You ain't even got your pole ready. Got him.
Oh,
I got a jackfish. Yeah.
that fish.
Make sure you get him on the GoPro. I'm coming to look.
Oh, it came off.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got him on the GoPro though.
That'll be good catfish bait. Oh, baby one.
Yeah.
Good luck getting that fish out. If it's still
No,
on.
I had my fish gripper, so I could. I would take him over to that landing.
And the torturous surgery.
Yeah, there's mudfish, jackfish,
Of course there's
brim.
mudfish because there's mud everywhere.
Yeah, there's bad. He was about maybe 8 inches. It was a little guy. He didn't pull no drag.
Yet.
Jerk bait.
Don't be a jerk to a jerk bait.
Yeah, I'm actually kind of glad he came off because I don't know what I would do because his mouth wasn't that big, so I wouldn't be able to get a fish gripper in there.
Just shake them, shake them. Come on!
That's where I caught him at right now.
See if he's probably over there now. Want to catch the same fish. He would just come around there and go back there. It'll take him a couple minutes though. Oh.
You gotta finesse it to get it.
Did you get the bait from Irvin?
No, this is my bait. I got from Walmart.
The bait that Irvin got from
What?
your tree, the tree that you got your bait stuck on?
Oh, the log?
Yeah.
No, this is not that big.
But did you get it back from Irvin?
No, he said it's still at the campsite. Well,
Should I scuba dive for my tiger worm?
no.
Yeah, what on earth is that? Paper?
No, it looks like a bag or target. Well, I found it straight. You gotta go down there and you gotta come back up here because you gotta let them reset for a little bit.
I just often think of there. There's a little school. That's school.
Hey, y'all hear the guy on the bridge? He said there's a water moccasin down there. Y'all see it?
No.
Should we get at the water?
I don't see him. I got my pistol. It'd be hard to hit with a pistol.
Thank you for that heads up, sir. Yeah, I got my grandchildren down here fishing. I appreciate you letting me know there's something out there.
something out there tasty. Maybe there are some stuff out here tastier, aka bluegill.
Yeah, it was a little baby jackfish I caught.
At first I thought it was an eel.
It was a jackfish.
By the lake in Dennis.
Yeah, it's like a little pike, basically. Yeah, I got them because my GoPro's still rolling. John, if you go on my tackle box, I'm pretty sure there's some more jerk baits and crankbaits. So what? Yeah. Cause I ain't really biting a catawba worm.
You're not biting them catawba worms?
No. But about the jerk bait. I'm gonna go over there. That's my first jackfish too. That was my first jackfish. That was my first jackfish.
They bony to eat though.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna